a room tour of the studio fountain view room at the Cosmopolitan on the 37th floor. Bearing in mind there are 38 floors. So you come into your left and you have a big sliding mirror door for the bathroom. As we go in, we have to our left bin, light switches, vanity mirrors, a smaller pull-out mirror, his and her sinks. We got a facial soap, mouthwash, body lotion, and a dental kit which includes toothpaste and one toothbrush. Oh, and you have earbuds. Outlets, drawer with hair dryer in it, an empty drawer. As we come round to our right, oh sorry, more outlets there. Come round to our right, toilet. It's a bit gloomy in here, and switches for lights and the fan. Come out, go to our left. We have a shower, big shower, big, with a bench. Then have here, oh look, I didn't realise these earlier, shower cap and soap, and a big bath, which is also a jacuzzi bath, as here are the controls. So towels there, go round, we leave, go to the main room. Big TV. Alright, step right back so you can even see it. Beneath it, HDMI port and power outlets. As we go round, we have the light switch. So that's the back side of the image that was above the bath. Lamp. Big couch, coffee table, working desk, no pad paper, 2 Ethernet ports, phone and power outlets, another bin, and over here we have the top of the minibar. You can see for yourself what's in it. Purple can is that, and I'm going to go down the menu. Price list. You can pause it as I go down so you can read it for yourself. More power outlets here, and beneath is the minibar itself. Lots and lots of drink. Okay, next up, second fridge, which, oh, if I can open it, is for your own personal use. So that's nice. Ice bucket, tongs, and to the left is, oh, just cupboard space. Okay, the iPad here must be off. We'll come back to that. So we work our way around. Big bed, big bed. Oh, light switches, power outlets. No space under the bed. Each person gets a bedside table, which is a win. Light switches here. Phone. Ah! Oh, reading light. Oh, that's weird. I like it though. Power outlets and USBs. And oh, a big drawer. Daniela it's not included in the room. An ottoman, I think that's called. I'm not sure. Second bedside table. Another lamp with power outlets and USBs. Another reading light, which you can twist. Nice touch, I do like that. Another drawer with no. Are you serious? What? Kama Sutra? Oh, so they're not going with the Bible approach here. TV remote with a button on it that I'm recognising as the word Netflix. Second TV here. Okay, more outlets there. What's behind door number 1? Safe. Slippers. Iron. Looks like a good iron. Ooh! The lights just suddenly turned on. They took their time. Okay, regulations. Safe. Oh. Dry cleaning laundry stuff. Instructions in the bag for it. Big enough safe. Don't know if the laptop will fit in there. I'll find out. Okay, on to door number 2. Have luggage holding thing. We have ironing board. More outlets. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, lots of cool hangers. I'm not counting them all. Also have a Wi-Fi box of our own. Yes. Dressing gowns. And I'm guessing that's the fuse box, so I'm not going to touch that. Overall, pretty damn good room. So I think that's it. Oh wait, no. There's the view. So that about covers it for this room tour. Thanks for joining us.